So next up, guys, we've got an old classic here. This is a Mustang 940. I'll go around it, kind of give you a nice 360-degree view, but as you can see, really excellent paint. This is a second owner unit, guys. Hobby farmer bought it from the original owner. Basically said that he kind of went through it, changed the hydraulics, lines, got it, just went all the way through it, got it painted, got it in really good shape. It does have the single point quick attach up front. There's a set of forks that'll sell separately from the unit. The original owner said that hours are much higher than they actually are. Most Mustang 940 owners will know. It does have a full kill feel. So if you don't turn the key off, the hour meter keeps going. So it has been sitting in the shed. We did jump start it, so it's already kind of running, but it did run nice, or start nice. So really good seat. I'm here with Mike. He'll go ahead and give you a nice demo. Got a Yanmar diesel motor, foot controls, like I said. I haven't looked at the hours yet. I just heard that he said that the hours are higher than what they should actually be. Good strong hydraulics there. Like I said, it does have that T-bar steer there. We've got a lot of ice, so if it looks like it's sliding, guys, that's just because of the ice. But 3 of the 4 tires, really good shape. One of them getting a little less tread, but all said and told, guys, really nice unit, especially for the vintage. So there's a demo, guys, on the Mustang 940 skid loader. Take a look, guys. Auction time, old 20.